JD back here again with the V22 engine by Briggs. We're just going to clean it up here. The video kind of will jump here. Sprayed it out as much as I could with the compressed air and cleaned it up and got most of the dust out of it. I wish I had a better compressor for better pressure, because I could have used it, but I did the best I could. So this is the one thing you can do to clean up your engine after a while. Thanks, have a nice day. Okay, we cleaned up the Briggs and Stratton engine as much as we could, on both sides, and inside and out. Looks good. I'm going to start it up, and that concludes this video for today. Thanks for looking. Have a nice day.